Hey friends, welcome to the Zero Trade channel. I'm Mia and we've got another exciting trading day ahead. Today, as always, we have educational content and live online trades lined up for you. But before we jump into trading, let me remind you that I have a Telegram channel where I share daily signals and host a 500 giveaway every Monday for those who leave comments on my YouTube videos. Actually, to participate, all you need to do is hit that like button, subscribe and drop a comment. Also guys, I want to draw your attention to the fact that our account balance is already at 39k, and I believe that by the end of this video we can get really close to 40k. And as you remember, we started with $5,000 and our goal is to reach 50. When we hit that mark, I'll have a special giveaway for my Telegram channel subscribers. So here is another reason to join me. Alright, enough talking, and let's get down to trading. As you have already noticed that I pinned the pair Australian dollar to Canadian one, and it shows really good percentages. Let's check out our trading view and see what is going on. First, let's switch to the 15-minute time frame, and here we can see that we had an impulse movement that has ended. The price has now entered a corrective phase and we are currently hovering between levels, as you can see. The 05 level held nicely, but we haven't reached the 06 yet, so for now we are still in downward trend as our priority. Alright guys, let's go back to the 1 minute time frame, and we have these specific areas marked as support and resistance, along with some minor trend lines that we have been playing out. At the moment, we are mostly expecting a long position and a good entry point for a long trade. This point could be when the price touches this particular trend line. And just a reminder that we are in range somewhere between 0.8 and 1 for level. Alright folks, let's switch to the chart and open our first long trade. And oops, I accidentally opened it for 1 minute, but no worries. Let's open another one, but this time on the 3-minute time frame. And while our two trades in progress, let's discuss our topic for today. Guys, you are in luck because today we are diving into the thrilling world of trading strategies that will set you on the path to consistent success. So buckle up, stay focused, and let's unveil the ultimate winning strategy in binary options. I divided our topic in some parts. The first one is setting the foundation. Binary options trading may seem like a roller coaster ride, but with the right approach, it can become your ticket to financial freedom. Remember, it's all about making informed decisions, managing risks, and keeping emotions in check. Part 2. The power of technical analysis. If you want to win big in binary options, mastering technical analysis is key. It's like having a crystal ball that predicts market movements. Learn to read charts, identify trends, and spot patterns. With this knowledge, you can make well-timed trades and ride the wave of success. Part 3. Embracing indicators. Indicators are the trader's best friends, and we are not talking about your crew on social media. These tools provide invaluable insights into market conditions. Dive into popular indicators like moving averages, Bollinger Bands, and RSI. Discover how they can guide your trading decisions and boost your chances of winning. Timing is everything. In binary options, timing is crucial. The ability to enter and exit trades at the right moment can make or break your strategy. Get familiar with different time frames and find the one that aligns with your trading style. Whether you are a short-term scalp trader or a patient long-term investor, understanding the art of timing is essential. Part 5, and as you have already noticed, my favorite part is risk management. So RM like a pro. If you want to stay in the game for a long time, then you better learn the art of risk management. Successful traders don't throw caution to the wind. They protect their capital, embrace concepts like position sizing and risk-reward ratios. By effectively managing risk, you will safeguard your funds and set the stage for consistent profits. Alright guys, let's take a look, and we saw that our trade closed in profit. So the entry point was really cool. We saw a touch on the trading view boundary and it worked out perfectly. The price and the indicator played out nicely, and we have a small divergence. So the entry point turned out to be fantastic, really. Now we see a small area here where the price could react, and we notice that the stochastic indicator has moved into oversold area. Let's mark this line as well. We have quite a few drawings on the chart now, but they don't bother us in any way. We also have some compression here. We can highlight it here too, but it seems like another fault breakout. So I zoomed out a bit to take a look, and I suggest waiting for a more suitable entry point, because right now I don't see any good trades to open, guys. The only trades that make sense at the moment would be either a retest of the lower support level or a movement towards the resistance level when the indicators also move out of oversold area. Currently, both the RSI and the stochastic are in oversold area as per my check. So guys, I wouldn't say there is any divergence forming, so I don't see any entry zones at the moment, to tell the truth. Alright, while we are waiting for a good point, I suggest shifting our discussion to our main topic so that we don't waste any time. Let's continue, and part 6, psychological mindset. Trading is not just about numbers and charts. It's also about having the right mindset. Emotions can be downfall of many traders, leading to impulsive... Sorry guys, I see this point. It's good downward movement towards the support area, so I opened another long trade from the same zone that we had. Of course, I don't expect the price to show the same strong movement on this retest, but retest should still push the price upwards, roll it towards this area. Here we can also see a wick, and let me draw it quickly. We can even see that the price is breaking through this area, and let's see if it holds, and if it does, we can consider entering another short trade on a retest of this level from below. But I still think these breakouts are more likely fake outs, because we are still pretty low on the indicator. The indicator here is also entering oversold area, and here we are seeing a minor divergence. If this trade doesn't go through right now, I'll re-enter with double the budget in a long position, because I don't see the downward movement from the current position. So guys, let's get back to the discussion, and we'll see what we'll see. So guys, part 7, backtesting and demo trading. No winning strategy is complete without testing it in the strangers. Backtesting allows you to evaluate a strategy using historical data, and it helps you understand its strengths and weaknesses before risking your hard-earned cash. Additionally, demo trading platforms offer a risk-free environment to practice and fine-tune your approach. Embrace these tools to sharpen your skills. Part 8. Constant learning and adaptation. This trading world is ever evolving, and so should you. Stay up to date with market news, economic indicators, and global events. Oh guys, I'm sorry for the interruption, but from what I can see, this trade is also likely to end in a loss, so I think I will double my budget right away and enter a long position from this point. So guys, while both of these trades are running, let's continue the discussion. Constant learning and adaptation. So, you should stay up to date with market news, economic indicators, and global events. Explore new strategies and tweak your approach based on changing conditions. Successful traders are lifelong learners who embrace their ability as their secret weapon. Part 9. Money management mastery. Now that we have covered the essential elements of a winning strategy, let's dive deeper into the realm of money management. A successful trader knows that preserving capital is just as important as making profits. Here are some key principles to follow. Capital allocation. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. Determine a percentage of your trading capital to allocate for each trade. This way, even if you encounter losses, you will still have enough funds to keep trading. Position sizing. Avoid putting all your eggs in one basket. Divide your capital into smaller positions to spread the risk. A general rule of thumb is to risk no more than 5% of your total capital on a single trade. This approach protects you from substantial losses and allows for potential gains. Take profit targets. Just as important as managing losses is knowing when to take profits. Identify price levels to indicators that signal a favorable exit point and set your take profit targets accordingly. This way, you secure gains and prevent potential reversals from eroding your profits. And risk to reward ratio. Evaluate the potential reward against the risk before entering a trade. Aim for a favorable risk to reward ratio, where the potential profit outweighs the potential loss. And guys, let's get back to the trade and take a look. As I see, it's literally to close in just 10 seconds, and we can already see that it is closing in profit. Just as I mentioned earlier, it looks like the breakout was a fake out, and we have a similar situation here. We had a low, then the price broke through and went up, just like here. So, first low, second low, our indicators show divergence in this area, and as we can see, the price made a new high but didn't confirm it, and then we saw a strong upward movement. So guys, this video is a great example of how we can smartly use hedging in our trades. Alright, that's a wrap for today. But before we go, I want to emphasize the importance of joining my Telegram channel. It is where I provide daily signals and keep you updated on the latest trading opportunities. Plus, don't forget about our 500 giveaway every Monday for those who leave comments on my YouTube videos. So make sure to hit that like button, subscribe and drop a comment to participate.